I'm Gigi.
I'm Anna.
And we're Gigi, Anna, Gigi. And today we're going to do a video about expectations versus realities of
having a puppy.
Yeah. So
yeah. Hope you like it. And
we will tell you about our guest star. You'll see her. You'll see her. She's an actress. She's like famous. It's really cool. We got her to be on our channel. It's awesome. So
she's great. Okay.
Yay.
I hope you like it. Bye.
Good calm, doggy.
Mommy. Girlfriend.
I'm always going to have a bag with me from now on. And I'm never going to forget one. And I have this little handy thing so that I'm always going to have a bag for... What do you get out Come on, Chinook. Huh? Shake. Good girl. Yeah, that was really good. Sit. Sit. Stop it.
She wasn't going to become a... She didn't. Oh, she's trying to pull.
She doesn't want to.
Oh, good girl.
Sit. Good girl. Good sit. Good sit. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Lie down. Oh my god. Not there. Oh my god. Pointless. Sit. Sit.
Hey guys, again. I hope you liked the video. We worked really hard on it. Like it was really hard.
We thought this actress was amazing. I mean, she
is with like she's really
But
hard to get like the reality. I mean the expectation because she's just like all in with the reality.
Yeah. So she's a
little hard, but we got it.
Isn't she cute?
She's so cute.
I know.
Okay.
You loved her.
She was perfect for the part.
Yeah.
So hope you guys liked the video and like and subscribe. And we know that you never ever leave a comment.
So leave a comment on what our next video should be. We can't.
And leave a comment on well your favorite expectation versus reality was in this. So yeah. Bye.
Oh, and tell us if you want us to do more videos starring the star. So.
Okay. Bye.
Come on. Stop. Bad girl.
You're sitting here.
Oh, she's being so cute. And calm. And
Adorable. Being so adorable.
Aww.
Chinook, are you gonna work with us? Are you gonna be in our video?
Yes, you are. Okay, now what you have to do, just lie down for the camera and then eat that. Good girl.
Good girl.
You're eating so good. Oh, yes, you get a belly rub. Oh my goodness, Chinook. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're being adorable.